Get ready for an inside look at one of Cancun's most luxurious adults-only resorts, the Hyatt Zilara Cancun. Nestled in the heart of the hotel zone, this five-star paradise offers a blend of traditional Mexican warmth and modern luxury that's sure to impress even the most discerning travelers. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? The Hyatt Zilara Cancun boasts an impressive array of suites, each designed to provide the ultimate in comfort and style. From the moment you step into your room, you'll be greeted by breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea, the resort's pristine pools, or lush tropical landscapes. The suites range from a spacious 474 square feet to a jaw-dropping 1,582 square feet for the presidential suite. Talk about room to spread out. But it's not just about size here, folks. These suites come packed with amenities that'll make you feel like royalty. Picture this. You're lounging on your fully furnished balcony, sipping a freshly brewed espresso from your in-room Nespresso machine, when suddenly you hear a discreet knock. It's your room service, delivered through a magic box for ultimate privacy. Now that's what I call living the high life. For those of you who can't get enough of the water, and let's face it, who can in Cancun? Some suites even offer direct access to semi-private pools. Imagine stepping out of your room and straight into refreshing waters. It's like having your own personal oasis. Now let's talk about wining and dining, because boy, does the Hyatt Zilara Cancun deliver on this front. With 6 restaurants and 5 bars, you'll be spoiled for choice. Fancy some sushi and a teppanyaki show? Head to Hacienda. Craving some gourmet Mexican cuisine? Maria Marie has got you covered. And for those nights when you just can't decide, Spice offers a huge international buffet with live cooking stations that'll satisfy even the pickiest eaters. But here's a pro tip. Don't miss out on La Adelita, a traditional Mexican cantina with a prix-fixe menu that'll give you a true taste of local flavors. And if you're lucky enough to snag a table at Pelicanos, you'll be treated to Caribbean cuisine with a side of stunning ocean views. Just remember to make reservations for dinner at these popular spots. You don't want to miss out. Now, let's dive into the pools and beaches because let's face it, that's probably why you're coming to Cancun in the first place. The Hyatt Zilara boasts multiple pools, including infinity pools that seem to melt right into the horizon. And if you're staying in one of the swim-up suites, you'll have access to a semi-private pool right outside your door. Talk about luxury. But the real star of the show is the beach. Hyatt Zilara Cancun is situated on one of the widest stretches of beach in the hotel zone, offering plenty of space to soak up the sun or take a romantic stroll along the shore. And don't worry about lugging your own gear. The resort provides beach service including towels, lounge chairs, and even drink service. So sit back, relax, and let the sound of the waves wash your worries away. For those of you who like to stay active on vacation, hey, no judgment here. The resort offers a variety of water sports and activities. From snorkeling to kayaking to paddleboarding, there's something for everyone. And if you prefer to stay on dry land, the fitness center is equipped with modern cardio machines and free weights. You can even book a personal training session if you're feeling extra motivated. Now let's talk about pampering, because vacations are all about treating yourself, right? The spa at Hyatt Zilara Cancun offers a wide range of treatments to help you relax and rejuvenate. From soothing massages to revitalizing facials, you'll leave feeling like a new person. And don't forget to take advantage of the sauna and steam room. They're the perfect way to unwind after a long day of, well, unwinding. But the Hyatt Zilara Cancun isn't just about relaxation. It's also about entertainment. The resort offers a weekly schedule of live performances, including jazz dinners, tequila tastings, and pool parties with live DJs. And for those of you who like to keep things low-key, you can always grab a drink at one of the 5 bars and enjoy the stunning ocean views. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, but what about the kids? Well, here's the thing. Hyatt Zilara Cancun is an adults-only resort. That means no kids' clubs or family-friendly activities. But hey, sometimes adults need a vacation from being adults, right? This is your chance to enjoy some peace and quiet, or maybe rekindle that romance without any interruptions. For those of you who like to explore beyond the resort, you're in luck. The Hyatt Zilara Cancun is perfectly situated to take advantage of all that Cancun has to offer. Within a 20 kilometers radius, you'll find attractions like the Cancun Underwater Museum, Ecoret Park, and the Museo Maya de Cancun. And if you don't feel like venturing out on your own, the hotel offers organized excursions and tours to many of these attractions. Now, let's talk about the overall experience at Hyatt Zilara Cancun. Guest reviews consistently praise the cleanliness, service quality, and luxurious atmosphere of the resort. Many guests rave about the friendly and attentive staff, the high-quality food, and the beautiful beach. Of course, no resort is perfect, and some guests have mentioned that the prices can be a bit higher than other resorts in the area. But as the saying goes, you get what you pay for. And at Hyatt Zilara Cancun, you're paying for a top-notch, adults-only experience. One unique selling point of the Hyatt Zilara Cancun is its commitment to providing a sophisticated and relaxing environment for adults. This isn't your typical party resort. It's a place where you can truly unwind and enjoy some peace and quiet. Whether you're honeymooning, celebrating an anniversary, or just need a break from the daily grind, this resort offers the perfect setting. For those of you planning a special event or looking for conference facilities, the Hyatt Zilara Cancun has got you covered. The resort offers state-of-the-art meeting spaces and can accommodate everything from intimate gatherings to large corporate events. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to mix business with pleasure in a setting like this? But what really sets Hyatt Zilara Cancun apart are the little touches that make for a memorable guest experience. Many visitors have shared stories of exceptional service moments, like staff members remembering their names and preferences or surprising them with special treats on their birthdays or anniversaries. It's these personalized experiences that turn a good vacation into an unforgettable one. In conclusion, if you're looking for a luxurious, adults-only getaway in the heart of Cancun's hotel zone, the Hyatt Zilara Cancun should be at the top of your list. With its stunning suites, gourmet dining options, beautiful beach, and commitment to excellent service, it offers everything you need for a truly relaxing and indulgent vacation. Just remember to book early, especially for those popular restaurants and spa treatments. And who knows? You might just find yourself never wanting to leave this little slice of paradise. Happy travels! For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.